Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Saluto Uba, and today we're going to talk about what do you do as a business owner when taxes freak you out. Let's go. Hey, what's up, y'all? Like I said, my name is Saluto Uba, and I'm the founder of the Uba Law Group. We're a law firm that helps 6- and 7-figure companies protect their business, their brand, and their bank. And today we're going to talk about a subject that's very, very relevant because we're right in the thick of tax time. The question is, what do you do as a business owner when taxes freak you out? Now, being a business attorney, an entrepreneurship attorney, I work with a lot of business owners, and even now as a tax strategist, I see the same type of theme that happens. A lot of us as business owners know that we got to take care of our taxes, but that's just kind of something that we push to the side at one time of the year, and we give our accountant some receipts and some documents, and we hope for the best. If we're being honest, a lot of us are intimidated by taxes and we don't fully understand how all of that stuff works. So we're not able to fully maximize everything that we could do in the tax world and in the business world. So I'm here to tell you, you don't have to be freaked out by taxes. Taxes are a resource to you as a business owner, and particularly as an entrepreneur. The government favors what you do, and they favor the service that you provide and the products that you make and the jobs that you create and how you stimulate the economy. And there are a lot of benefits that you can be taken advantage of. So you don't need to be freaked out by taxes, but you do need to be smart. You need to be strategic with your taxes. Okay, so here's the first question. As a business owner, how does your business interact with the tax world, and how is it different from when you're just a regular 9-to-5 or W-2 employee? So there's two main things I want to talk about with you. As a business owner, you need to understand that the tax code is mainly incentive-based. I'm going to say it again. The tax code, it seems big, bad, and scary, but it's really about incentives. And so here's what I mean. When the government wants to motivate activity, when it wants people to do something, it has a primary mechanism that it uses to accomplish this. It will give a tax incentive. So when the government wants you to create housing so people can have houses and people can build families and be safe, it provides a lot of tax incentives for people who are real estate investors and who are developers and people who provide housing and make the whole real estate sector go. So there are a lot of tax incentives for real estate investors because the government wants to incentivize that activity and wants to encourage that behavior. So that's the first thing. The government will incentivize behavior that it likes. But the second thing is that the government will punish or disincentivize behaviors that it doesn't like. So for instance, there are more taxes and tariffs when you make and you produce products outside of the country, because obviously the government wants to encourage people to hire people here in the US and to stimulate business and stimulate economies. So it has disincentives for people that hire and create and produce things outside the country. It wants to discourage that activity, so it has disincentives. So this is a key thing to understand as a business owner, because when you get this, you realize that there are a lot of things that you can take advantage of, and there are a lot of things intentionally built in by Congress and by the government that they want you to do. So if the government is giving you incentives, either in the form of major tax deductions or tax credits, or there's subsidies, or there are things that make it easier for you to conduct your business, then you need to take full advantage of that. So in order to take advantage of that, you have to understand these things. So the big part of understanding this is, number one, don't be intimidated by taxes. And a way to not be intimidated by taxes is to reach out to your accountant, reach out to people who are on your power team, reach out to a tax strategist, and understand where your business falls and how exactly you can maximize taxes. But then on top of that, this is gonna sound crazy, but just read up on taxes. Study what the IRS is talking about in your industry. Oftentimes we have different business owners who are so surprised that there's specific credits, there's specific types of programs designed to their industry that they can take advantage of that they did not know about. And oftentimes when we're just intimidated by taxes, when they freak us out, we will be very hesitant to research. What people don't really know is that as many hundreds of pages as the tax code is, it's a big book. The vast majority of those things are just incentives and motivating and encouraging people to do certain activities that the government wants. And if you don't know what's in there, if you're not savvy, if you don't have a tax strategist, if you don't have a tax game plan, if you don't have any of that working for you, you're going to lose out, and you're going to actually end up paying more money than you should as a business owner. So to wrap things up, as entrepreneurs, as business owners, we provide a valuable service. We take the risk, we take the potential to go broke and lose everything, but we invent that business. We create that business, we invent that product, we give that excellent service, and the world benefits. So the government wants you to also benefit and take advantage of it so you feel comfortable and you're able to do this with some sense of stability. So the tax code is actually your friend. It's not your enemy. You don't have to feel freaked out. You don't have to feel intimidated by it, but you do need to learn what it is and learn how it can benefit you. So if you're looking to grow in this area, we're actually having a tax savings masterclass where we're teaching our top 15 tax saving strategies to business owners to help you save thousands of dollars this year and every single year. This is something that I typically do one-on-one in consultations with clients, but we're opening up to a limited number of business owners. So if you're interested in this, if you know that my business needs to grow and it needs to push forward with tax strategy, check out the information, sign up now. We have a limited number, and as soon as those seats run out, the seats run out. So please check that out. And as always, we have our Power Team Playbook as well, which is our 2022 business game plan that's free for business owners. And it can show you tax and legal strategies that'll help you even if you're a new business owner, if you have $0, all the way to making millions and millions of dollars. We have strategies for you. So check that out. It's absolutely free, and you'll definitely benefit from that. But until next time, keep on grinding. We appreciate what you do. I appreciate what you do as business owners and the sacrifices that you make as entrepreneurs. And just know that what you do is important and it's necessary. So until next time, peace.